Hey there everybody, this is Sarah, your socially awkward seller, and I thought I would bring you a video today on how to put your store, your shop, your closet on vacation. It's really simple in every platform, but I thought I'd just make a quick video so that you have something to refer to when you forget how to do it. So obviously this is my eBay page, and let's go to that very quickly. This will not take long. And in the description below, I have put the times for each section that will start: Poshmark, Etsy, Amazon, eBay, or probably not eBay, but anyway. So if you want to skip to something, I'll tell you exactly where that starts. Anyway, so this is your seller hub. And to find your vacation settings, you will scroll down, and your configuration may look a little different if you've customized your boxes so that they're in different places. But you want to go to Seller Tools, and usually the last option in Seller Tools is your vacation settings. You can just click on that, and it takes you to your vacation settings. This is how you can manage your inbox, basically your messages on eBay and other things. You'll want to scroll down to vacation settings and turn those on, and you can type a message in this box that your potential buyers will see. And then right here is where you would want to click, enter the date that you're going to be back. And I am going on vacation. I will be returning on the 18th. In this scenario, you would want to set out your handling time. So if I was going to do this method, I would set out my handling time until probably like 12 days or 15 days or 30 days or whatever. I can't remember exactly what the bulk edit options are, but that's how you change it. Go in and bulk edit all of your items to change your handling time to a long enough time that it gives you plenty of time to handle the sale in the event that you would get one. So that's what you would want to do. The other option, and the one that I'm going to choose, is actually to block any purchases. This is the message that they'll see. The seller is currently away until 7/19 and is not processing orders at this time. You can add this item to your watch list to purchase later. So it will block your fixed priced buy it now items while you're on vacation. Your auction style listings will still run as scheduled. So if you've got auctions scheduled, you would want to just take that into account, that you need to handle those. I personally would not be running auctions if I was going on vacation, especially for an extended period of time, which I am. I am leaving on the 7th and returning on the 18th. So you just want to apply that. And let me see if I can find that other way. You would just go to your messages, and let's see if I can figure out how to, oh, here we go. Change settings. So you will want to click right here, and that takes you to that very same spot. So two ways to get there, and but they are the same place. So that's how you do it on eBay. On Amazon, you go to your Amazon Seller Central. You'll go to your settings, account info. That brings up this page, and vacation is very easy. If you're going on vacation, you will want to click this link right here, and you can make your listings inactive. Obviously, this is only relevant if you are doing merchant fulfilled, because you won't be home to ship them. If you're doing FBA, then it doesn't matter, because Amazon's going to ship it for you anyway. So if you are doing merchant fulfilled for Amazon, you will want to make all of your listings inactive so that nothing sells while you're gone. And now that one is gone, and it shows my current listings are inactive there. Okay, Etsy. You will want to go to your shop manager, and let me just back up one bit so you can see this. It's right here. Go to your shop manager. And you will want to go to your settings down here. Come on. Yeah, you'd think I'd know how to do this. I just went right to it. Of course I did. You believe me, right? Options. I don't know why I wasn't seeing that. And then you'll see 5 tabs across the top here. You'll want to go to the vacation mode and simply put your shop on vacation. I don't have much listed here anyway. You can write whatever message. I'm just putting this because I don't care. So save that. And my shop for Etsy is on vacation. And the final one would be Poshmark. And Poshmark you cannot, easy to do from your app. You'll just want to go to your store and then vacation hold and just turn that on, and you can change the dates here. I want to go ahead and turn mine off now because I don't want anything to sell until I get back to ship it. And there you go. That's as simple as that. And it shows the message here that your store is now on vacation. So that's how you do it for all 4 platforms. I am flying out soon, not today, but soon, for a trip with a very, very dear friend of mine to Rome, and then we're going to see a few other things and end up in Paris, and we will fly back home out of Paris. So I'm pretty excited about it. It was a very spur of the moment for me. I was not expecting to do this, but I'm very happy that I am. So that's how you do it. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate you being here, and remember that the dream works when you do. So keep dreaming and keep working, and I will see you the next time.